Well guys, today is the reveal. The new tractor came in last Friday. I have put about 5 or 6 hours on it. Just to give you a few things, I got the quick couplers here where I don't have to get out to change from my implements. Got the valves in the front. Came from Coleman Tractor, Clarksville, Tennessee. They did an awesome job. I'll talk more about that. I had, see if we can get them in here. 3 remotes put in back here. Air seat, wonderful, love it. That's my phone holder, but you can see your valves here. I'll show you more operating this. That's the quick coupler where you don't have to get out to change your implements. That's for your remote out front. And then of course you got your button here you turn on. It won't do it unless the tractor's running, I don't think. Maybe you can't. Yeah, it's on. It's just the light's so bright. Now you can see it green, and that turns your valve on there. They put a microphone in for my radio so you can answer your telephone. How cool is that? Coleman Tractor, my salesman was John Ship. I've bought stuff from him before. He came up here, they delivered it up here. I never even had to go down there. He went to great lengths of attention to detail of setting this tractor up. I just kind of gave him a few things I wanted, like the air seat, and then he took it from there and put all this stuff on it. And I mean, he did a great job. We're going to Bush Hog, so we want to get out there and try that out. So y'all ride out there with me, and let's go. Well, a little more on Coleman Tractor delivering this tractor. This is my 5th Kubota tractor. Probably one of the best setup tractors out of the 5 that I've ever had delivered, as far as attention to detail. Just everything is wonderful on it, and I haven't found a flaw in it. And so anyway, I hadn't told you what size it is yet. Just thought I'd leave you guessing. I can tell you it's got a 4-cylinder engine instead of a 3. It is an L series. The cab seems, I don't know if it is bigger or not, but even my wife brought up and said the cab seems bigger inside. But whether it is or not, I don't know. I do know, and I sure do like it. You see the Bush Hog back there. We've got a little bit of a road drive. I'm just kind of cruising along right now. But we do have a little road drive to get to where we're going to Bush Hog. I have Bush Hogged a little bit with it, just not even an acre, probably not even a half acre. I came up last Friday after it was delivered and hooked it to the Bush Hog, unfolded the Bush Hog, greased the Bush Hog, checked the oil in the gearboxes. I turned it on in a little lot out there and Just kind of made a few rounds and just to see how it was going to do, and everything was great with it. I don't have my drone with me today. I'm just kind of pressed on time, and we'll make the best out of this as an introductory to it. You can see the amount of hoses that's out there. That's a lot. I can tell you that it's got the, what is it, the 1065 loader, I think. Heck of a loader. Heck of a loader. Stout. Man, it's smooth. Man, it's smooth. Transmission's just as good in this tractor as it was in the 3560. I'll tell you what size it is in a little bit. I just thought I'd let you guess. Let you put it down in the comments. We'll see how many's right and how many's wrong. I've got it on this lever here. So we're gonna go down. So I do want to show you, like, this is taking off your bucket right here. This is your activation button, the green one, and then this is unlock and lock. So you push and you push, and then you can see them opening there, and then you see them closing. The seat has a button here where you can recline the back. It has a button here, but I hadn't looked into what it does yet. I don't know. May put air in the back, I don't know. Major difference. Major difference. You know, you're going from the 3560 had, what was it, 37 horsepower. The hydrostat had about 28 PTO. And now I've gone to 62 horsepower with a turbocharger. And it has, like, I don't remember exactly, but 50 something PTO. So major difference, major difference. The lift raises higher. The other one, I had to take the quick attach off because I was always afraid it was going to get in my PTO shaft. And this one here raises up so much higher you don't have to worry about it. The next time I'm out here to bush hog, I'll bring the drone. I'll get you some drone footage. Tractor really handles itself really good, and just having that extra weight has just made a big difference in everything it does and how easy it just eases around. It does the task it needs to do. Kubota really has a good cab. I mean, they've really got a good cab system. I've not been in any other brand tractor or cab, but I have known people that had a Kubota, traded for a different brand, and they didn't keep it real long, and they went back to Kubota because of the cab. Because Kubota's got such a good cab. So I actually, last fall, was just trying to sell the bush hog because as as long as I was mowing this, which I mow, you know, every 3 or 4 weeks, I was fine with the 3560. But if I try to go down to my father-in-law's and mow down at his place that's not mowed very often because it's in a program, farm program, I was really struggling to mow. So I was just going to sell it, keep the 3560, and let my daughter and let him just hire somebody to mow it, because I don't make anything off mowing it. I just do it because I like it and I enjoy it. But everybody was trying to lowball me on this bush hog, which was brand new. I mean, it was less than a year old, and people coming in and just offering low prices for it. So I just got aggravated. I don't like messing with that crap. If somebody priced something for sale, I either buy it or walk away. I don't offer no cheap price. I'll ask them, what's the least you want for it? If they tell me what they got it marked, I either buy it or walk away. And people was just offering me cheap prices for it. So I just decided to trade the 3560 in and get the L6060. There you go. Because I enjoy bush hogging, and plus just doing other work I do, the more power, more weight, the easier it does it. We're in some pretty tall fescue, a little bit of everything right now. We're taking a full swath. I just kind of made a cut down the middle, just so you see it taking a full swath. And there's a rock. We are mowing low. I'm mowing lower than I normally mow because I got the power to pull it now. So maybe I ought to be up just a hair. That's the only rock I've hit. There is a few out here. Well, we're down in another place now. See, we're a little taller. Bush hogs rolling right along. We're cruising along 3-4 mile an hour. It goes back and forth. I'm in rabbit, medium. Just easing along now because we in some big stuff. Not really sure what's in here. Tractor is pulling fine. But like I said, I'm just creeping along. Don't want to get into anything bad. There is sinkholes out here, sinkholes and stuff, so I'm just trying to take it easy. You can see I am running the bucket like right on the ground. That way, if I come across a hole or a stump, or maybe that'll catch it before it gets to my bush hog. But I'm highly impressed with how well the tractor's doing, how it's pulling. The big stuff now. See how tall it is. Bush hog is eating it up. I got into kind of where I know where I'm at, and it's smooth here. I put it on up a little faster. We're cruising. Running about 3. It'll jump up 3 to 4 every now and then. Well, we got a tree right here growing. See how that old Rhino's gonna do with that. there goes another. Ain't nothing to it. Old tractor's handling it good. Well, I'm really impressed with the tractor and the bush hog, just how well it's handling this. We're cruising right along, 3-4 miles an hour. I do have it up because this don't need to be bush hogged down low. But it's doing it. I couldn't be any more pleased than I am with the L6060. Got a lot of creature comforts in here. Very comfortable. Like it a lot. I think we're gonna do good. Oh shit. Woo, there was one right there, buddy. See what I'm saying? Oh, they're in here. Golly. Woo, woo, woo. Ha. Almost. Almost. Good night. Let me check that whole heart. What was it Fred Sanford said? Elizabeth, I'm coming home. Coming home to you, Elizabeth. Whew, I thought I was right there. I'm gonna have to run a little slower. It's just, I didn't know there was a sinkhole there. Man. That's scary. All of that right there is a sinkhole. See there's some gravel in it. There you can see it back in there. And all of this is a sinkhole. Right there's where I just went down, right there. We in some big stuff now. Man. I mean, the tractor just chugging along, boy. It ain't even bothered it. I'm just kind of stripping this now. The guy just wanted me to get the trees out of it. Some of the trees had gotten big. I was supposed to have mowed it earlier, but because I couldn't get my tractor, I couldn't get it mowed. So now I'm just kind of stripping down through here and getting the trees out of it. Big brush, things like that. Guys, this is going to be all of it for today. I wanted to show you the tractor, the L6060. I'll do a little more videos on it as we go along. Maybe I can get a little more time, get the drone out here, such. Y'all have a blessed day.